Hi guys, welcome to this video, and this is day 17 of making 1 lakh profit from Indian e-commerce business. So आज है day 17 and we have made a little progress so far, and I wanted to show you guys that what we have done in these 17 days and what is going on right now. So yesterday I told you that I'll show today and it's the day. So आज हमें कुछ results भी आए हैं which I wanted to show you guys, जो कि बहुत अच्छे नहीं हैं but still, क्योंकि छोटी प्रोग्रेस ही मेरे लिए बड़ी प्रोग्रेस है. आई मीन अर्लियर आई यूज टू डू 18 to 17 ऑर्डर्स एंड वो 2 साल पहले था, बट नाउ द ऑर्डर्स हैज़ बीन ड्रॉप्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द upgradation in Meta's policies and a lot of things. I mean, it's been 2 years and it's 2025 and फिर भी like चलो let's go. So चलो, so earlier जो भी हुआ, I have already told you guys in my previous video. If you did not see it, just go click on I button or anywhere you can see that 16th day of the video. Down below you can just go down there and just search कि मैंने like what I told about on that video. But अभी हम उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे. आज मैं आप लोग को बताने वाला हूँ क्या रिजल्ट्स आए हैं. तो this is my store and so guys, blur इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि this is again a privacy issue. Last time I had I'd shown this to some of the people that okay, I'm doing this progress and I made this far. So lot of guys have just copied my store and तो उससे क्या है, मेरी ना जो competition मेरा बढ़ गया था. तो I don't want to do that, but actually I have stopped that product because of it was a failure. तो बनता है आप लोगों को दिखाना, ठीक है. तो so far we have made 6 orders जो कि within 2 days जो कि कुछ भी बड़ा नहीं है. So I'm just showing you because क्योंकि दिस इज़ अ फेलियर एंड फेलियर्स भी दिखाना ज़रूरी है, और मैं कैसे सिस्टमेटाइज़ करता हूँ चीज़ों को वो भी आप देख लो. तो यहाँ पर लाइक यू कैन सी दैट वी गॉट 699 के ऑर्डर्स. तो फर्स्ट डे क्या था हमारा, फर्स्ट डे वी हैव लॉन्च्ड द प्रोडक्ट ऑन 10th March एंड उस टाइम पे लाइक वी हैव गॉट दिस गाय लाइक द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ऑन 10th March एंड उसके बाद लाइक नो नॉट 10th March, 11th March वी हैव गॉट द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. और उसके बाद एंड माई बजट वॉज ऑन CBO कैंपेन, सो आई वॉज रनिंग ऑन लाइफ टाइम बजट नॉट डेली. तो इट वॉज अराउंड 6500 फॉर 5 days. So I thought I will take this too far. I mean till 15th I'll let Meta spend for 5 days, but unfortunately product did not give me the my desired results, so I had to stop it. But rest assured, these are the results and you can see that how I filter out the results, and so I've learned from other dropshippers that how they do it. So मैंने कुछ टैग्स लगाए हुए हैं. तो ये मेरा खुद का डमी ऑर्डर है जो कि एक फेक ऑर्डर मैंने टेस्ट करने के लिए लिया था. एंड दिस वन इज़ जालिम जलीम. तो ये भाई मेरे बहुत ही गंदा लोग, मतलब ऐसा बहुत लोग करते हैं क्योंकि ना we run meta ads. तो what happens actually, people don't go in these platforms to buy products. तो this is not a intent buying, ठीक है. पीपल लाइक लोग स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी अच्छा सा दिख गया तो वे जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड दे ऑर्डर और परचेज एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम अदर पीपल एज वेल. तो सेम हमारे साथ यही होता है अगर हम अच्छे से उसकी मार्केटिंग नहीं करते. तो यहाँ पर फॉल्स ऑर्डर आते हैं जो कि मतलब उन्हें कुछ अच्छा दिख गया एंड दे जस्ट क्लिक्ड ऑन इट एंड दे ऑर्डर टू प्रोडक्ट. तो दिस गाय डिड सेम एंड देन राघव सिंह सो ही इज़ ऑल्सो द सेम गाय, लाइक ही डिड सेम एंड दीज अदर एक्सेप्शंस ऑल्सो. सो ये कुछ ऑर्डर्स हैं, इनमें से हम लोग को सिर्फ 4 ऑर्डर्स मिले हैं जो कि हम उन्हें शिप कर सकते हैं एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्डर्स आई विल हैव टू कैंसिल. सो आई मैनुअली कैंसल्ड 4 orders. I guess 4 orders. I manually cancelled 4 orders because I did not see any traction from the customers. I called them and some of them did not pick my call. Some were like okay, I think I ordered by mistake. So I had to see that part as well, because at the end of the day I need profit, right? So my product is going somewhere with the cost of delivery, and then if the customer is not accepting the product, then it's coming to my home, which is RTO, so it'll charge more than my profit margins. So this is something which I'm not looking for. So yeah, I've got 7 orders actually. So the one order is I cancelled it, so it's showing 6. Alright, so now you've seen my orders and I'll show you my product page as well. so you'll have basic idea that how I designed my store. So here's my website, and if I'll go to my product page, so this is what I am selling currently. I mean, I was, not now. So I stopped the campaign. I told you, was not getting the traction from customers. They were not liking it, or maybe the reason of like my marketing, there was a marketing fault, you can say that. So this is the product. Like you can see, I have a timer, trust badges, and this is a Holi Hangama sale, which is for people who want discounts, and the gift I added in this to make people easy that to understand, okay, what this guy is selling. All right, and rest you can see that this is for convenience, heavy duty, baby friendly. So I used varieties of description for all the people of different categories. So my ads had different targeting. So some ads for mothers who wanted to stitch their clothes, children's clothes, babies clothes, and some need a home improvement as a home improvement product. So I added this, and one of the most important thing I did is that I uploaded a YouTube video, and also told that please watch our video instructions to use this tool. So what happens actually, this is kind of complicated product. If people will come from directly from ads and they land on my landing page, they'll see that okay, this is the product and like it works like that, but they don't know how to use it, so they get confused. So if they'll scroll a bit, so they'll encounter this video to see that how this product works. Okay, and next, one of the most important things that we added reviews. These are the most fundamental thing that you can do to increase your sales and conversions. तो हमारा जो बहुत सारा traffic हमारे store पे रुक रहा था, they were not buying because the offer was not appropriate, or maybe the product was not suitable for them. I don't know, like this is what it is. अगर आपको idea है, अगर आपको लगता है कि वो product चल रहा है, क्योंकि what I learned is that कि you can also find a winner in small budget. You don't need to just spend thousands of your money that into a product which is not giving you your desired results. So I understood that lately, but yeah, it is what it is. And next you can see I added these convertible rows, where if people want to see that how fast we can deliver, what's the return policy, and what if my item arrives damaged, so what will they do in that condition, and is there a shipping fee? Yes, there is a shipping fee. I mean, it's free shipping. So yeah, we were giving free shipping, and or this is the contact info. So ये एक बहुत ही important part है जो हमने किया. Like though we were not getting the good results, our metrics was okay-ish, but because of some marketing issue, I think the targeting was also not that to the point. So I think I've made the mistake on that, but rest assured that there's a contact info, there's a quick links, people can see that okay, so that this builds trust. Like if I'm going to Amazon buying something, I'll see everything about the seller, where's the seller from, and I'm not just Amazon but from any third party website, because Amazon does not showcase their sellers contact info. But if I'm shopping from any third party website, what I will see that okay, where they are from, what they do, what's their contact number, what's their email, or their quick links, and privacy policy, what's their shipping policy, refund policy, and everything. So this was it, and let me take you to my ad manager. Yeah, there you go. So हमारे जो एड्स मैनेजर के मैट्रिक्स हैं वो थोड़े से गड़बड़ हैं, because recently I have told you that I have installed server tracking on my ad account. So now I am tracking with the browser and server both. So if I'll update my dates to the maximum, so you'll be able to see that. Okay, let this page reload. And so yeah, this was my prospecting campaign CBO for that product. and it was a testing campaign, so I named it as a testing campaign. And you can see that, let me change the, so yeah, maximum and update. Yep. Okay, come on, hurry up. I think my laptop is just hanging because of I'm using it regularly from since morning, so maybe that might be the issue. But let's just remove that. Okay, but I can show you the results. Come on, I need the maximum, and if I'll click on last 7 days, then you'll be able to see the specific data. Okay, there you go. But I need the 14th March data as well, last 14 days. There you go. Okay, so I have updated, and now you guys can see that this was the campaign where I was running 4 ad sets. In 4 ad sets, each ad set has 4 ads. You can see this was the ad set, and earlier it was on broad, not detailed targeting. So I did it because I thought I'm not getting results because this campaign is broad. So I made some changes and shifted to detailed targeting, which is this, and it did not work as well because I don't know why. If you know, then please comment below. It'll help me. So yeah, this was it, and here you can see that my ads, each ad set have 4 different ads. Yeah. So what happened actually, in these ad sets, so these ad sets were running where I found that so only one ad set, which was this home repair, home improvement. So I was getting more spent from Meta, and all the sales were coming from, purchases were coming from this particular ad set. So I thought, why not to duplicate and create a new campaign from the same ad set. So what I did, I changed the whole ad set into a new campaign and started running ads on that campaign with the detailed targeting. So what actually happened, you can see I got 11 add to carts and 7 purchases from this ad set only. It means that it was working fine for Facebook, but my Meta cost per purchase was horrible. As you can see, 273, which is which does not make sense anymore. So it was eating my whole budget. 273, I was selling this product on 999 when I started, but later I realized that people are not buying it, so I reduced the price to 699, and which was fair. So that happened, and you can see that 273 cost per purchase, and results metrics are okay. I mean, I did not expect this, but और CTR भी guys बहुत अच्छा था, 1.65. desired CTR is 2, but हमारा 1.65 था, जो कि बहुत अच्छा था. and AOV is 287. हमारा प्रोडक्ट का कॉस्ट था 999 and we were getting 287 का AOV. Wow, this is something which all the people in this industry will hate this. You cannot have this horrible AOV in your ads. So yeah, that was it, and let me show you some ads, what sort of ads we were running, and if I can show you by hovering it. Yeah.
Did you know that you can create an automatic metal button in just a snap? Comes with 100 high quality metal snap button.
So what I have observed is that there's no hook, first. Second, it is not fast, because the behavior of these platforms is people just scroll mindlessly. They don't care about your product that you're selling, they don't care about your ads that you're running. What they care about is, what am I getting? So if I'm scrolling on Instagram I'm going there to have some entertainment. I'm going there to have fun, right? So in order to engage the customer into your landing page, into your offer, into your ad, in order to hook them, in order to hold them, what you have to create is hook. So the first thing is hook, second is hold. How can you hold? If you can just, you know, like this happens to you all the time कि जब भी हम कुछ वीडियो देख रहे होते हैं and we are just scrolling, right, and we see the ad, तो हम कुछ भी देख रहे होते हैं, मतलब वीडियो देख रहे हैं, फिर इंस्टाग्राम पे रील स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, तो अगर हमें कुछ भी ऐड दिखती है, कुछ भी वीडियो दिखती है, अगर वो बहुत इंगेजिंग है तो उसके 5 सेकंड आप ऑब्जर्व करना कि आप उससे क्यों रुके थे। आप मतलब कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी अतरंगी चीज़ उन्होंने करी होती है, एंड देन होल्ड रेट। आप अंदर आ तो गए, आपने वीडियो थोड़ा सा देख तो लिया, बट आप रुके हुए हो, बट स्टिल वॉचिंग। वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट content, because of the crux of the video. And the next, call to action. Like आपने hook crack कर लिया, hold, आपने customer को hold करवा लिया, and then call to action. अब next, it's your desired result. आप उससे desired action, आप उससे क्या करवाना चाहते हो, तो वो action I think is missing there. तो वो चीज़ we are improving. अगर आप भी try कर रहे हैं तो you can also implement this. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा कुछ इस कैंपेन का रिजल्ट था, जो कि हमने वेरी नेक्स्ट डे यानी कि कल बंद कर दिया था, प्रीवियस डे। तो और हमने फिर एक न्यू कैंपेन लॉन्च किया, जैसा कि आई टोल्ड यू कि दिस वाज द एड सेट एंड इट वाज अ डिटेल्ड टारगेटिंग एड सेट, जो कि हमको कितना कन्वर्जन पे हम ध्यान नहीं देंगे। और 699 का AOV है, विच इज़ ओके, क्योंकि हमारा प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्टिंग ही वही थी, सेलिंग प्राइस ही वही थी। एंड आई विल शो यू, या so we got Tokar OS, and cost per purchase is still high because I think there's some issue with ads. So I think Meta is not liking our ads, which is fine, we'll make it better. क्योंकि लोग कर रहे हैं यार, मतलब लोग 30, 40, 50, 20 रुपए में, like they are getting 20 रुपए का CPP. It's just like, this is my desired CPP. Like I would love to see my ad account that when I'm getting the 20 rupees का CPP in my ad in this campaigns. So yeah, like in upcoming videos I'll show you everything in detail, like what I'm doing, but currently like this has happened, और ये छोटा सा failure था which I wanted to show you all. And yeah, this was the day, this was the 17th day challenge where we were making 1 lakh profit from Indian dropshipping e-commerce. And I know it will take a hell lot of time to understand what's going wrong and how can we make it better. So far what I understood is just like people are doing it, people are killing it, it's just a game of like how you can crack. So I think I haven't arrived on the crack game, but yeah, but I will see myself, I wanted to see myself where I'm cracking the results, where I'm cracking my goals, like 100 orders in a month or in a week, and 20, 24, 25, 50 ka CPP on my campaigns. This is my desired goal for now, because you know ad costs are just going higher and higher day by day. So you just have to implement new strategies, learn something new, and try and test. It's all about trying and testing. So हमने जो भी try किया, test किया, वो मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो इतना sufficient था. Like I should have put more effort in this, but so far what I've made is just it's that. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video and hope you liked it. If you did, then please click on the like button and share your views about this challenging day, and I'll see you in the next one. So stay tuned for the 18th day what we are going to do next. And I have some streamlined products which I'm going to test, or एक ही goal, like एक ही rule I am applying now: test fast, fail fast. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's close the video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.